I'm going to speak about getting videos indexed specifically into the Google search engine. We'll work on this one. I'll speak about Google search engine. And I'm just going to show you proof that what I've learned is working and I'm taking action and I continue to learn more. So I thought you would like to see an inside view of what I've learned and what I'm doing to get more videos indexed into the search engine. I'm receiving confirmation. So here we go. When I started the second half of November 2022, this was the first result. I got 13 videos indexed, and it's a work in progress. Oh, I could do this. There you go. Now I have 29 videos indexed. See that chart? It started high, then it went low because it took a few months for Google AdSense or Google search to review my blog, to check to see if I'm entering everything properly the way they want me to get indexed into the search engine. So why videos and pages aren't indexed? I'm going to click right here and you see validation started for these 7 videos. On 3/6/23, I requested my videos to be reviewed again. The ones they claimed that weren't indexed. And I fixed them. But and I am fixing them. I have fixed them. I want you to see here. You see how I use the embedded code? They don't like that in WordPress. They want you to use the YouTube block feature and add the direct URL. Here you go. You see this here? If I tap on it, let's see. Let me give you an example. Insert after. I'm going to add a block, a column, colon, and I'm going to tap on that. And I tap on YouTube URL, that's where you embed the direct link to the video. That's what they prefer. I hope that made sense to you. That's what they want. So I changed all of these to just a link. Now, it's still validating because there was a longer list. And that's why it jumped up from 13 to 29, because I'm correcting what I was told by Google to correct. I hope that made sense to you. Now, let me see here. Let me click here one more time. See details. And it's telling you, they want that URL. I figured that out. Oh, 6 appended. Okay. The last time Google looked, this issue instance still existed. Google will check each item listed here and mark it as passed, failed, or other. We get it. So that's working. Let me go back here. I hope that motivates you because it's not easy, but once you get it, I'm at the stage now. I upload a video about a topic that I have a lot of interest in, and it's when you're interested and passionate about your job, your purpose, it's fun. So now I have this rhythm. I upload a video, and at least more than half, I write a blog post about the video topic, and then I include the video URL and the video into the blog post. And then I submit it to the search engines. Subscribe to my YouTube channel because I speak about that all the time. And as the process of submitting URLs to the major search engines evolve, I stay on top of it and I share that with my audience. So make sure you subscribe because I'll continue to share this valuable information. I'm going to cut this short, do another video about another topic, before I go, to even motivate you some more. The last time I looked, it was at 120 page URLs indexed. And that went up in numbers too. Now it's 142. This number is going to be sporadic for a while. And it's because I'm adding new content, editing old content, I'm resubmitting URLs, but I went from 120 to 142. And when I started, it was at 78. So that tells you that I'm doing something right. I'm here to win. And my impressions have gone up. My daily income has gone up, and it's only going to get better. So I hope you like, I hope you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.